Look at this one. A cube is first painted, then cut. First paint and then cut. Significance is initially it is painted, then cut it. That means in the resultant cubes, there will be some faces painted, there will be some faces unpainted, because paint can only reach in the surface. Now, it is cut into 216 smaller identical pieces. That means the cutting logic is 6 into 6 into 6. So every edge, there are 6 cubes. Now look at this cube. How many faces painted for this cube? 3 faces painted. Look at the cube next to this one. How many faces painted? 2 faces painted. Look at the cube behind it. How many faces painted? 1 face painted. And try to imagine the cube just behind this one. How many faces painted? 0 face painted, because that is not a superficial cube. That is inside. Color couldn't reach there. And no cube can have more than 3 faces painted. Now the question is where the 3 face painted cubes are situated. 3 face painted cubes are situated in the corners, and we know every cube has 8 corners, 12 edges. Edges are the meeting line of the planes of the surfaces, and 6 surfaces. So 8 corners, 8 cubes, 3 face painted. 2 face painted, they are going to be situated on the edges. You can see that. Now every edge there are 6 cubes, but 2 ruled out because they also belong to corners. So how many left? 6 minus 2, 4 left in every edge. How many edges are there? 12 edges are there. So total 48. What next? One face painted. Where they are situated? Surface. Every surface, if you can see, 6 cross 6 cubes are there, but out of which all the terminal ones to be excluded. This one excluded because they either belong to surface or belong to edges. They're either 3 face painted or 2 face painted. So effectively, how many cube left? You can see 4 cross 4. 6 cross 6 becomes 4 cross 4. Like if the surface I mentioned, top and bottom gone, right and left gone. So it will become 4 cross 4. How many? 16 cubes. How many such cubes surfaces are there? 6 surfaces are there. So total 96 cubes. 0 face painted. Like for the surface, we remove the terminal. So for 0 face painted, from the entire stack of 6 cross 6, we have to remove all the superficial cube. So the structure is 6 cross 6 cross 6. From height, top and bottom gone, 4 left. From length, right and left gone, 4 left. From breadth, front and back gone, 4 left. Total 64 cubes. Total 216. Final answer. Okay. How many cubes have paint on 3 first surfaces? 8. Option C. Paint on 2 surfaces? 48. Option A. 1 surface? 96. Option A. Not paint? 64. Option C.